Okay guys, so we're taking it to the belt sander right here, and make sure to always wear eye protection, and also if you have a mask, make sure to wear that too. But I do not have a mask, but just make sure not to like try to breathe any of it in if you don't have a mask. But we're going to put our goggles in and on, and then we will. Now I already got these nice and flat. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take it to the round, or aka the bottom part, and you're just gonna go like nice and even from like the top, like this, like that, and make sure not to put too much pressure or else it could fly off or hit you in the face. And that's why I'm wearing goggles. So yeah. So I just roughed in the nose / the tail, and now I'm going to do this side, aka the tail. So let's turn this on, and I use the disc, like I said earlier. Okay, so I just got this done. As you can see, there's just a little bit of glue on it, but I think the shape turned out pretty nice. And smooth sandpaper the sides and the tops, just a little bit more, and then you'll be good. And then we've just got to drill the holes. I won't show that on camera, but just like with a shaper tool, it has holes, so you can just poke like a little mark through there, and then you can just drill it out with a drill or like a Dremel. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.